Welcome to DLM-Campervans. Today we have our first 2020 model Ford Transit Connect with the Mini T conversion. As with all our Mini T conversions, you'll see we have a hitch. This has the split back doors, refrigerator, sink, microwave, max air fan, lighting. Here's the couch. As you walk in the side slide door, you see it has overhead console compartment. There's under bed storage. It of course has solar, max air fan, shore power. There's a TV, DVD player. The sofa quickly folds down into your 43 by 72 inch bed. This is again a 2020, has leather seats. Navigation, comes with the front privacy curtain, WeatherTech floor mats, WeatherTech sunshades. All the details can be found at www.dlm-distribution.com. It has just over 2,000 miles on it. It's a gorgeous maroon color, lots of safety features. Check it out, give us a call.